Thanks. Well, next week in California, we're going to have a new champ, a new ugliest dog in the world.
Yeah, but one dog owner already thinks it's going to be her pooch. It's all because of the Donald Trump effect. This is Himisaboo. He and his owner are from Boise. She says her dog has a comb-over resembling Trump's, which will get him extra attention because of this year's election. They've competed 4 times already, but his owner says this year his hair will help him take home the gold.
Nice do right there.
Yeah, I like that.
All right.